Hi, this is Red Organic, and I'm going to show you how to run Unix commands on an iPod first to fifth generation. Big one. You can do the same thing on any mini and nano first generation iPod. So now all you've got to do is make sure the lock switch is not being held, and then press this button right here, and you see what it says? Select zero slacker. We don't want Rockbox because that's only for music and other stuff. It does have plugins, but so you select zero slacker. Sorry about that. It's just that I've been holding it for too long. So this is how we are going to run a command. Wait. So it's starting up. It's launching the graphical user interface. This is not a full Linux install. It does have some of the Linux commands, but not all of them. It's got this thing called BusyBox, and what we are going to do to it is we are going to run some commands, and all it is Linux. It actually has some of the same commands, basic commands, as Mac OS, as Macintosh. So it does have music, but I haven't figured out how to enable that. So we wait for it, and then we are going to type. We're going to read. So we are going to go to extras. Utilities, terminal. So now all we're gonna do is type in CD. Type in CD. I've already got my iPod modded. Don't worry. Just look up zero slacker, and if you really want to, you can do this too. It's public code. I don't know if it's exactly in the public domain, but you can get it too. So what we are going to do is type in cd/proc cat cat. This command exists on Mac too. So we are going to type in the word cat uptime. Cat uptime. This does not have awk, sorry. So all I'm going to do is we can only print out the raw files. So cat uptime load average, avg, load average. So now, since we've typed this command, press this button. You see that right there? This is the exact same thing as you would get on Linux. And now we could type in cat. This is a simplified stat file. So cat stat. This shows how much total CPU has been used. So we're only going to be focusing on the top numbers. So cat stat. See that number? It says that there's been 89 processes executed. See that? See that? I'm just scrolling down. So it has some of the same command as Macintosh. It has some of the same commands, so you could even type in dd. So dd. So we're doing this just for fun. So dd. dd. If input file. It's not if as in like, if you do this, I will do that. But so if equals dd, if input file equals loadav. So we are going to get the first 2 bytes from this. So load average. So now all we're going to do is type in ddif equals load average. So I'm going to type in bs equals. So I'm going to print out the first 3 bytes, which is the number of which is usually the number of seconds that it's been on. bs equals 1, count equals 3. So we aren't doing it at the uptime, I forgot. But that, I think that we can still do 3 and look nice. Count equals 3. 0.43. Do you see that number right there? It says 0.4. 3 plus 0 record in, 3 plus 0 record out. You are finished. Congrats. Using an iPod as Linux and as a Unix computer. You did it. I mean, I did it. Good job. Try it yourself.